Bonnie Roseman, and welcome to Bonnie's Fashion Buzz. This is my 31st show, and I have had a blast doing it, and I always like to start with my 3 golden rules. BLT, build your wardrobe with classic pieces. L, liven your wardrobe with fun novelty items. And T, tweak your wardrobe with touches of color. My emphasis today on Bonnie Roseman's Fashion Buzz is to take taupes and grays and show how they blend together. And of course, you can always work in your basic black, but I'm trying to show you how to put together a really interesting travel wardrobe that can all intermix so that you can go off eventually when we're traveling with one carry-on bag and have all kinds of mix and matches. So I'm starting with this python pattern silk jersey with a little bit of spandex to keep it so that it really holds its shape. All these are washable by hand and dry without any dry cleaning, easy to care for, lightweight, non-wrinkle. And so this is an actual dress that you can wear hiked up like I'm doing as a tunic. And I have it hiked up as a tunic because I have matching slacks out of the same fabric. So I decided to make this a kind of a top and bottom look in python today. But you could be wearing gray leggings, you could be wearing a black legging, you could end up wearing camel, tight little slacks. And then I love this little chapeau. This is a work of art, part of my collection, done by an artist. Was all woven with straw. And it's just a great piece with these vintage earrings that are also made out of straw. And I love how I find these things and how they work together. And then I have it cinched with this faux alligator strap, and it's inset into the buckle. This is all hand cast. And I think that the texture really works great with the python. And so you just cinch it in. And then I'm showing a straw woven bracelet in silver and this very unique ring that's done with 2 very smooth, very interesting pebbles that were from a Greek beach. I got this in Mykonos, and it's set with sterling. And I just find this to all work together with the patterns. And then if you wanted to go shopping and you needed a sizable purse for the afternoon, here's your python bag. Beautifully made, lots of room, exquisite. And in the inside, there's even a matching wallet. Just exquisite. So here we go. I feel like I'm definitely ready to go shopping, and when we can, go to Rome, go to Madrid. This is just so lovely, just like this. And then if you need a little something to cover your shoulders at night, this is a hand-painted scarf in different varied shades of grays and pale grays with little bits of beige and gold flecks. And I think that that works really good with the python pattern. And that would just give you a little coverage around the shoulders. And again, this is a dress, so you can wear it without a belt and just pull it down. It goes to the knee, and wear it without a belt. Then I wanted to show you a completely different look, which is to take this little python outfit off and throw on this fabulous taupe textural cotton, linen, and silk tunic. I'm going to pull this off. This is a quick change. Almost there. And I've got this fantastic, okay, so I want to show this off to you. I've got on this taupe. It's got cotton right here on the waistband, very comfortable. You could wear this with t-shirts. It's got this kind of interesting layer in the inside and then this slit with silk on the outside. It really makes it like a palazzo pant. It's very interesting. I'm just trying to show you. It's got this like inserted area here and then a slit with the silk on the outside and then this beautiful textural tunic. And then I would take off these earrings, change the whole look by putting on maybe these gray pearls, fabulous pearls. Look at this. And I would switch it off with perhaps these great multicolored gray and white pearl earrings. And all these pieces mix and match. You could actually wear the python pants with this and it would look interesting. But this has got a great pattern going on, kind of a fleur-de-lis. And I love the taupe with the grays and with the pearls. And let's see who's watching. Hi, Maddie. Great to have you. Robert, I love you and miss you. Can't wait to see you. I'll be there 1st of July. Hi, Rhonda. Hope you're doing well. Lee, I love you. Send my love to Pete. Glow, great to have you. So then I would take something like this, and then if I wanted to have fun, I could do a hand-painted bag. Here I've got my gray little pebble ring, got these pearls, which are kind of fun and funky at the same time, and I could be just putting on my hand-painted bag from Argentina, beautiful leather, and it has taupes, it has white, it has blacks, it has grays. You could be wearing this little fleur-de-lis tunic and wear it with a pair of little gray leggings, black leggings, a pair of faded tight jeans, funk it up. Could go from day to night. Then I want to change the entire look and put on this incredible necklace done by an artist. Look at this piece. It's got bone, horn, pieces of ceramic. It's got glass, hand-blown glass, and the chain is made out of a rubber. And it's just so eclectic and different. And then I would wear these earrings probably with it because they kind of have a little bit of mixture of different shades of blacks and grays. These are like mosaic earrings, and it somehow picks up the colors of this necklace. And you just can funk it up like that. And if you were wearing a pair of tight leggings, that would be incredible. And I would probably end up wearing this. This is a wonderful bracelet with hematite, sterling silver, snake skin. And I might want to throw on a piece like that with this great necklace. And then don't forget, always have a black t-shirt. So you could do all black, or you could wear these you could wear these fabulous pants. I'm telling you, this is a fantastic style pant. I could do these in any color, but I love them in taupe. And then I could end up wearing a little black tight T-top and this necklace. So you have to have black top, black bottom, and then mix and match all these things. And then a bracelet like this, I might end up taking off the other ring and putting on this ring. It's an onyx ring. Look at this ring with all this hand-carved sterling and 18 karat gold on the bezel. That looks fantastic with the bracelet. Then I might even switch the earrings off and go to these earrings, which are a mixed metal, like this. And that has onyx, and wear something like that with the black leggings. Then I might change up the whole outfit and go to something completely different, which is this beautiful netted jacket. Look at this. It's got wire in the collar and a wonderful pattern of polka dots. Very lightweight. All these things weigh a feather, like a feather. Hi, Karen. Great to have you, Karen Ann. Hi, Howard. Hi, Beth. My sister from Boca and Baltimore, great to have you. So this is a great little look. If you just need a jacket, it has horn buttons. Again, you could just be wearing it with a black tight tank top underneath it and black leggings, but it looks kind of cool with this taupe patterned tunic underneath it. I love this. You could wear the collar up. You can play with it because it's got a little bit of a wire in it, so you can play with that. And then again, if you want to change the look completely, you can take this beautiful cluster pearl necklace. These are actually 2 necklaces that have been made. You can wear it singularly like that. I would probably go with these great pearl earrings. Look at how this changes the whole look with this jacket, the necklace, these earrings, and go like that. And then if you're going out dressy, got this fabulous clutch bag out of alligator. Look at this. So you've got the clutch, this great looking jacket, this fleur-de-lis little tunic, the silk pants that have the insert. But again, imagine it with black leggings. Great, and you could even wear this jacket with a little black shell underneath it. This necklace is unreal because you can wear it short like that, or you can wear it long like this. I mean, it just doesn't get more beautiful than this. They're all hand crocheted together, all pearls. And then you wear something like that, so you've got the longer necklace. And then you want to change the look again. It's all in the accessories, girls. I have this fantastic python belt. It has all onyx and crystal, silver, hand cast. Hi, Carlos. Great to have you. Hi, Joshua. So nice to have you here. Love and miss you. Hope you're keeping yourself going. I think you're outside of New York right now. Stay well. Okay, so I'm wearing this python belt, which has really got a lot of interest and texture. Picks up the black. Again, imagine wearing black jeans with this, or black palazzo pants, or black silk slacks. If you want to change the look again, I put this on with the belt because I think these earrings work really well with the belt. These are beautiful earrings. I want you to see the texture on these. Onyx. I mean, you just don't see these in any store. There are things that I've collected from all over the world with the ring, this. Look at that. And then if you need that coverage again around the shoulder, you just take, again, the same scarf that I used earlier and just put this around the shoulder like this. And that works. Somebody might want to say, okay, well, I don't need it around the shoulders, but I sure like it around the neck. You can wear that. I love how grays and taupes work well together. So you can wear that. And this is a great look. This is a purse I got in Paris. This is all ringtail lizard. And it was made so well, and back in the 40s, this has never been used. Has a real mirror in it, little compact. You have to see this. This comes out, and they just don't make bags like this anymore. And then it has this little change purse that was made to go inside it. It's just incredible. I love these purses. So you could go dressy with that, with the belt, this. So I think you get the idea of what I'm trying to accomplish today. Taupes, blacks, grays, mixing patterns, snake skins, ringtail lizard, pythons, interesting bags from daytime to nighttime. You can go with something like this that packs so easy. I loved having you here. I'm on Facebook every day, Monday through Friday at 3 o'clock live. Then I post it on YouTube. So I have my own YouTube channel called Bonnie Roseman's Fashion Buzz. This is show number 31. And every day I feature a different mix and match of colors and accessories. And I hope I've inspired you to go into your closet, see what you have, and perhaps book a FaceTime appointment with me individually so I can help you take what you own and give it a real pop. Share me with your friends. That would mean more to me than anything else. I'm keeping my business going through thick or thin. It's almost 40 years I've done this. I still feel young. I hope I look young. And I love you all. Getting a haircut later today, so I won't have to wear my chapeaus. Most important thing I want to not forget is everybody who writes a comment. I'm getting a lot in here. And somebody on May 31st, I'm going to pick out of the bowl. Whoever writes comments daily, I put it in religiously, and we'll get a $200 gift certificate. I always like to say wearable art and fine art. As you can see, I live in a gallery. So this is a piece I did. It's part of my golden rules, and this was a collage I created in mixed media, and this is my B for building the wardrobe with classic pieces. I wanted to share one of my personal pieces of art. I have hundreds and hundreds of artists that I represent all throughout my gallery, but I wanted to share something personal, and I thought it went with the taupes and the color scheme today. Fine art, wearable art. Thanks again for watching. I love you. See you tomorrow. Most important, feel good, but look even better tomorrow.